Okay, I'll try to keep my notes.
Yeah, right.
All
right, guys, so it is Lefsa Day here at the house. This is my mother. You guys may remember a number of years ago, I did make a Lefsa video, and it was basically, cooking and mixing the dough and stuff like that. However, in that video, it has been brought up many times by my viewers that you guys don't really get to see how I roll the dough. Okay, so this is my potato dough. I use a 1/3 cup of dough. And to start out, I sit there and I rolled it into a ball. Now I'm kind of flattening it out just a little bit. And I just look for any major cracks like that there. So as I'm patting, I'll take my thumb and I'll kind of pinch it together a little bit. So hopefully it'll stay in a better round shape as I'm rolling it out. I've already pre-floured my board. I can still see the writing through it. And then I just start very lightly going back and forth. I would say that I'm working in like 1/8 sections. I'll go this way and then I'll go back. And then I'll go, 1/8 and go like that. Another 1/8. So basically it's like cutting a pizza dough is basically what I'm doing. After it gets so big, I just start just slowly going around and rolling out. I'm not going all the way to the edge and across. I'm starting about 3/4 of the way and pushing all the way across the dough. And I will keep doing this until I'm out at least to this 12-inch line, but I prefer the 14-inch line. And I know my mom does too, because she likes a very, 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 very thin Lefsa.
Mm-hmm.
Did I say very enough?
One more.
Very thin Lefsa. Okay. Okay, so as I'm working, I've got to press down a little bit harder now to really get the size I need and to push the dough out. All right. The edges here got a little bit thin, but that's fine. Very rarely does it actually come out absolutely round. Put my stick in, roll it up, put it on the griddle, and then unroll it. That's the part my mom can't do. Then I just get ready for my next one, put a little more flour on my pin, rub it in. Whatever falls on here, I rub that in, and then it's already floured and ready for my next roll. You want to see another one? I can do another one. I've got 7 more here, so we've already done probably a dozen.
How many did we start with?
20, and I got 6 left. So you have done 14. And we've eaten one.
And we ate one. Small one.
Yeah, it was a small one. All right, so like I said, I'm patting and trying to crimp any cracks, just by pushing my thumb in. So there you go, just like that. Put that on the board. Very lightly, just start rolling it out. As it gets farther and farther out, you need to start putting a little more pressure on the pin, but really do not go and really muscle it, because otherwise you're going to push the dough right into the fabric of this pastry cloth. You just don't want to do that. So I'm putting probably maybe 2 pounds of pressure, and that's about it. Of course, I'm trying to keep even pressure. I'm not trying to push down more on one side than the other. And again, I just keep on going until I get up to that 14-inch line. See, now Mom always says that if you can read the lettering in there, then it's good enough.
Yep.
And I can. That says pastry cloth.
That's because you've said that 100,000 times. You know what it says.
I'll slide my stick in. You do have to be careful because if the pastry has gotten stuck, then you're going to have a bit of an issue. But I really rarely ever do. As I say that, it caught. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. So I usually can roll it out faster than they can cook, because now Mom's got to flip over that one. Get a nice little browning on there. Now we gotta wait for the other side, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait for it to finish cooking.
Like we're used to cutting it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now for me to transfer this over, if you didn't catch it, I pick it up, slide it over, and then roll it up on the stick, get it over here, get the very edge of it on, and then unroll it. And there's that little flipped over spot.
Well, I guess so much for another taste.
Yeah. Mom's always looking for a reason to sample one. So that's it. I wanted to just make this quick little video just to show you guys the rolling technique, because it did not come out in my original video, 5 years ago? I think it's 6 years ago I made that video. So I hope this gave you guys a much better view on the rolling technique and how to get it moved over to the griddle. Thanks, guys. Always believe heart, soul, mind, and body. This is Mark. That's Mom. Bye.
Bye.